Woodworking is more than just assembling pieces. It's about bringing out the natural beauty of wood. A well-executed finish is like a soul to a handcrafted piece. It protects the wood from the elements and enhances its inherent character. A good finish can make a simple project sing. It's the difference between a piece that looks amateur and one that speaks of craftsmanship. Think of finishing as the final brushstroke on a masterpiece. It's the culmination of your hard work, the detail that elevates your project to a new level. Whether it's a delicate jewelry box or a sturdy dining table, the right finish will make it stand out. Finishing is not just about aesthetics, it's about preserving your hard work. A proper finish acts as a barrier against moisture, scratches, and the test of time. This is especially important for frequently used items like tables, chairs, and cutting boards. Before you even pick up sandpaper, you need to understand the wood you're working with. Different woods have different personalities. They react differently to stains and finishes. Choosing the right wood for your project is crucial for a successful outcome. Open-grain woods like oak and ash have large pores. These pores absorb stain deeply, resulting in a richer, more rustic look. Closed-grain woods such as maple and cherry have smaller pores. These woods provide a smoother, more modern finish. Consider the purpose of your project. A rustic coffee table might benefit from the character of oak. A sleek, modern chair might be better suited to the smooth finish of maple. Understanding the wood's grain will help you choose the right finishing techniques. Sanding is the most crucial step in wood finishing. It's like preparing a canvas for a painting. Proper sanding creates a smooth, even surface for the stain and finish to adhere to. This ensures a professional-looking final product. Always sand with the grain of the wood, never against it. Start with a coarse grit sandpaper, around 80 grit. This will remove any imperfections or rough spots. Gradually move to finer grits, 120, 180, and finally 220. Each grit level removes the scratches left by the previous one. This creates a progressively smoother surface. Don't rush the process. Take your time and feel the wood with your hand to ensure a consistent finish. Section 4. Staining, bringing out the beauty of wood. Staining is optional, but it can dramatically enhance the natural beauty of wood. It adds depth, warmth, and character. Choosing the right stain can highlight the wood's grain and create a desired look from rustic to modern. There are three main types of wood stain: oil-based, water-based, and gel stains. Oil-based stains penetrate deeply, providing rich color and durability. Water-based stains are easier to clean up and offer a wider range of colors. Gel stains are thicker and provide more control over the application. Always test the stain on a scrap piece of the same wood you're using for your project. Apply a thin, even coat of stain with a brush, rag, or foam applicator. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for drying time. Section 5. Sealing the deal: polyurethane, lacquer, or shellac. Sealing is the final step in protecting your woodworking project. It's like adding a shield that guards against moisture, scratches, and the wear and tear of everyday life. Choosing the right sealant depends on the project and the desired level of protection. Polyurethane is a durable, moisture-resistant finish. It's available in oil-based and water-based formulas. Oil-based polyurethane provides a warm, amber tone, while water-based polyurethane dries clear. Lacquer dries quickly and provides a hard, protective finish. It's often used on furniture and musical instruments. Shellac is a natural finish that offers a warm, antique look. It's less durable than polyurethane or lacquer, but can be easily repaired. Apply thin, even coats of sealant with a brush, foam applicator, or spray gun. Allow each coat to dry completely before applying the next. Section 6. Buffing and polishing: the path to a glassy glow. Buffing and polishing are the final touches that elevate your woodworking project from great to exceptional. These steps enhance the sheen and smoothness of the finish, creating a professional-looking, luxurious feel. After the final coat of sealant has dried and cured, lightly sand the surface with fine grit sandpaper, 400 grit or higher. This is called wet sanding. It smooths out any imperfections and creates a perfectly flat surface. Next, use a rubbing compound and a soft cloth to polish the surface. This removes any fine scratches and enhances the shine. Finally, use a polishing pad and a polishing compound to achieve a high-gloss finish. Section 7. The joy of mastery: crafting with confidence. Mastering wood finishing is a journey of skill, patience, and a deep appreciation for the craft. With each project, you'll refine your techniques and develop an eye for detail. The satisfaction of transforming raw wood into a beautifully finished piece is deeply rewarding. Remember, the key to a professional finish lies in understanding the wood, meticulous preparation, and the right techniques. Don't be afraid to experiment, make mistakes, and learn from them. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Share your knowledge with others. Help fellow woodworkers discover the joy of creating beautiful, lasting pieces. The world needs more handcrafted beauty, and you have the power to create it. In this chapter, we will explore some advanced techniques that can take your wood finishing skills to the next level. From using different types of stains to mastering the art of distressing wood, these tips will help you achieve professional results. First, let's delve into the world of stains. Stains can dramatically change the look of your wood, enhancing the grain and adding depth. Experiment with oil-based and water-based stains to find the right match for your project. Layering stains can also create unique, custom colors that bring out the best in your wood. Next, consider the technique of distressing. Distressing wood can give it a rustic, aged look that adds character and charm. Techniques like sanding, using a wire brush, or even hitting the wood with chains can create a beautifully worn effect. Remember, the goal is to make the distressing look natural, as if the wood has aged gracefully over time. Another advanced technique is using dyes. Wood dyes penetrate deeper than stains, offering vibrant colors that can be layered for incredible effects. They are especially useful for exotic woods that might not take stains well. Finally, don't forget about the power of glaze. Glazing can add a rich, antique look to your piece. By applying a glaze over a sealed surface, you can highlight details and create a sense of depth that transforms your project into a work of art. With these advanced techniques, you're not just finishing wood, you're telling a story with each piece. So take your time, experiment, and watch as your woodworking projects reach new heights of beauty and craftsmanship. Even experienced woodworkers can make mistakes when finishing wood. In this chapter, we'll discuss some of the most common pitfalls and how to avoid them, ensuring a flawless finish every time. Let's start with one of the most prevalent errors: improper surface preparation. Skipping steps like sanding or cleaning the wood can lead to a finish that doesn't adhere properly. Always ensure your wood is smooth and free of dust before applying any finish. Another common mistake is applying too much finish in one coat. This can lead to drips, runs, and an uneven surface. Instead, apply thin, even coats and allow each layer to dry completely before adding the next. Using the wrong type of finish for your project is another frequent error. Different finishes have different properties, and choosing the wrong one can result in a less durable or unattractive finish. Always research and test finishes on scrap wood before committing to your final project. Rushing the drying process is a mistake many make, especially when eager to see the final result. Allow each coat to dry fully as per the manufacturer's instructions. Patience is key to achieving a professional-looking finish. Lastly, neglecting safety measures can lead to serious consequences. Always work in a well-ventilated area, wear appropriate protective gear, and follow all safety guidelines for the products you're using. By being mindful of these common mistakes and taking the necessary precautions, you can ensure a beautiful, lasting finish on all your woodworking projects. Remember, attention to detail and patience are your best tools in achieving wood finishing excellence. Congratulations, you've mastered the art of wood finishing, but your journey doesn't end here. In this chapter, we'll explore how to maintain your beautifully finished wood pieces to ensure they remain stunning for years to come. First, let's talk about cleaning. Dust and dirt can dull the appearance of your wood finish over time. To keep your wood looking its best, regularly dust it using a soft, dry cloth. For more thorough cleaning, use a damp cloth with a mild soap solution, then wipe dry immediately. Avoid using harsh chemicals or abrasive cleaners, as these can damage the finish. Next, consider the environment. Wood is sensitive to changes in temperature and humidity. To prevent warping or cracking, keep your finished wood away from direct sunlight and sources of heat or moisture. Using a humidifier in dry climates and a dehumidifier in humid areas can help maintain a stable environment for your wood pieces. Polishing your wood can also help preserve its luster. Use a high-quality furniture polish or wax specifically designed for wood finishes. Apply it sparingly with a soft cloth, following the grain of the wood, and buff to a shine. Regular polishing not only enhances the appearance but also adds a protective layer against wear and tear. If your wood piece sustains minor scratches or dings, don't worry. There are simple ways to address these issues. For light scratches, a touch-up marker or a wax stick in a matching color can work wonders. For deeper scratches, consider using a wood filler and refinishing the affected area. Finally, be mindful of how you use your wood pieces. Use coasters and placemats to protect the surface from spills and heat. Avoid dragging heavy objects across the wood, as this can cause scratches. With a little care and attention, your finished wood will continue to be a source of pride and beauty. By following these maintenance tips, you can ensure that your wood pieces remain in pristine condition, ready to be admired for years to come. Remember, a little effort in maintenance goes a long way in preserving the beauty and longevity of your finished wood.